What?
Nothing else to tell me about my bike?
It needs gas.
Okay.
The oil level's low because there's no oil in it right now because it's probably all in the crank. So we took the reservoir off and put a fluid in there, topped it off for her. So I told her when you get to the brake, if you're going to have your foot on top of this brake, you need more free play in here. You only got that much free play. If you don't have free play here, the brakes will be on. Now on this bike, that means both brakes will be dragging. So this stuff's all tight. These are tight too. So as far as I know, these were adjusted and done last time we did it all. So I never did really have the air cleaner stuff off, I don't think, so it's fine. I probably did have it off to do jetting, but it's all tight, I'm sure. Okay, we got the wiring's all tight on that side. The oil level's about right here right now. It's all in the crank.
Okay.
So once we start this thing up, that'll come up on us, and we'll, after you put about 5 or 10 miles on it, it'll be equalized, and then that's how much oil is actually in the bike.
Oh, okay.
If you put oil in it right now, and the oil's all down there, it's all going to go up there and it's going to overflow and be a big mess. So you're fine. Now the idiot light switch on this bike is back here, right here. See how there's nothing on it? So I'd put an idiot light on there, but so for now our idiot light's right here.
Okay.
Goes like this. Go like this. You hook it over here onto this, like that. And you put power to that, and you'll have juice. So when you start the bike up, that should go out. Because it grounds through the switch.
Okay.
So when you have the oil pressure, it's grounded. Once you get oil pressure, the diaphragm lifts up. It's no longer connected. Light goes out. There's no path. That's how idiot lights work. So there's your idiot light right there. So you can carry this with you, or you can put one on the bike. That matters.
Okay.
So I need just one of those little pin lights. Put it anywhere on the bike, wherever you want to put it. Doesn't matter where. You can put one down there if you want. It doesn't matter. But you should have something to be nice. But it'd be like his bike, where he's got no oil pressure and doesn't know it. So we'll be checking that when we start it.
Okay.
All right. So I think we got everything checked out. I'm gonna go ahead and check the air in the tire just to make sure. Make sure you got some air in there. I know they had air in it one time, but that was like a year ago, wasn't it?
Almost.
It's hard to get to.
How much air should I have in there?
More than 5 and less than 100.
Oops, I didn't cuss.
This is going to be rough for me.
Darn it.
Doesn't work in the other way. That's not enough.
That's not enough.
So you're going to be doing a lot of high speed running on the freeway in Arizona. Put 30 pounds in it.
Okay.
If you're going to be just screwing around here in the town, 25, 26 is fine. This is your suspension. So,
Okay.
but you feel these sidewalls. These sidewalls are getting hot. Put more air in it.
Okay.
You know, it's the same temperature here, and here you're all right. But if these are hotter than here, then these are going to fail.
Okay.
Because they're flexing too much. But you do want to have some give in your suspension.
So when you're riding in heat, it should have more air. Okay.
So that's a good trade-off number for rigid. I used to run around the street 18 to 22 is what I ran on my bike, but I didn't do. It wasn't that hot out. That's what I run racing. This one here, I run 45 pounds minimum. See, it's not 45. 45. Yep, got it.
You want me to leave them here?
That's fine. So you got a heavy bike with a really small tire, so you gotta run a lot of air in it. If you don't run a lot of air in it, it's gonna wear. And the way you tell if it's
And no matter
wearing,
what kind of heat or what kind of weather?
doesn't matter.
Okay.
So you take your hand and run across the tire, you can feel where the high and low spots are at. If you're feeling it really high, kind of triangle shape in the middle, that means you don't have enough air in it because it's pushing down in the middle and not wearing.
Okay.
And you're wearing on the outside edge. And if it's the other way around, it'll be real flat in the middle And there'll be almost nowhere here, and you feel it to be like kind of flat in the center.
Okay.
That's too much air.
Right.
So you want to avoid do it where it feels nice and smooth. If you feel a bunch of washboard in here in this area, that means your floor coil is not doing its job. The dampening's not there.
Okay.
Or you get a very, very bad out of balance tire. Probably both.
Yeah.
So this one here, I don't know if we balanced this thing or not. Did we do something on this? Yeah. Yeah,
You
we got balanced.
did.
So I balanced it. I can't check it now because we got brake tire. Get your brake, does it work? The brake, does it work?
Oh. That works.
That works. Okay, push on it. Alright, so you're aired up. So probably have to put a little bit of oil in there, I'm assuming, but I don't know how much. It leaked out. Now it leaked out about a shot glass full of oil when I changed the seal. So not enough to really worry about, but we'll see. I'm not sure what's in here for oil anyway, I don't remember. We'll put straight 50 in it probably for hot rod, because you're going to be in Arizona, right?
Right. Okay.
So a nice thick 50 or 60 weight, probably 60 weight's better over there because it'll be so damn hot. So straight weight means you got thick oil all the time in it. The thin like a 25, 60, you start at 25, it increases to 60 when it gets hot, but when you first start,
Okay.
you know, over there, once you get down to like 95 at night,
Yeah.
it's hot. Even at night, it's hot when it's cold.
Yeah,
so,
it is.
Just thick oil. The thick oil will never hurt you.
Okay.
It protects you.
Good.
Okay, snake eye's still on down there.
Snake eyes are on.
So the battery is not charged up all the way.
No.
It is what it is.
It's
Better was last night, it seems better. This only puts out a 3/4 of an amp or 1 amp or something. 1 amp. 1 amp.
1 amp.
Over here. Puts out 1 amp. That's the best charger I got. It never hurts the battery.
Oh, nice.
You hook it up, come back and forget it. It doesn't overcharge. Doesn't do anything. Doesn't hurt anything. Charge them up, and when they're all the way up, they stay up because it goes in nice and slow.
Okay.
Battery likes that. Okay, so now, how are we gonna get this thing out of here?
I'll lower it onto the ground.
Lower it.
Well, you gotta lift it first.
Where's my lowering tool at? Lowering tool.
Handy dandy.
First thing to do is move it over. People get nervous when the kickstand's half off the table.
Yes.
Were you one of those commenters?
I was. No, I didn't comment on it, no.
Oh, okay.
I knew better.
I don't know why they were worried about it.
They don't know. They don't know.
Yeah, I found an oil leak. You know what that's from? When I changed that seal.
Oh.
That one over there is new though. I don't know what's over there. Clean underneath here, so if you have oil leaks that we don't know about. Alright, so you get under here, you can see what kind of oil leak you got now. It's probably the last time you're going to see a view like this. See that hanging down here?
Yes.
I don't like that.
Okay.
You know what that is?
No.
That is your charging wire for your alternator.
Oh, that's not good.
There's your missing metric bolt.
Trash.
Metric garbage. So we're going to clean your bike here for you.
Thank you.
I think I might do a zip tie for you just for the hell of it.
Thanks.
Like dangling wires hanging down. Might as well fix that now. So you come back later when the charging system's not working today. Let's see. Here's some of the tools away. You got to stand where my tools are at. So look up there and find them. You want to keep this away from the exhaust pipe. Put that over there out of the way so you don't poke you. still come down, but not very easy. On the other side of that cable up there like that. There we go. Now it's on top of the clutch cable. It can't come down unless you get in there and grab it. Alright, this motor looks clean. I don't see any real drips anywhere. Just residue from whatever.
Okay.
Good spot to do a little cleaning, so. Nothing on the back of the frame. Yeah. So you can drag across the whole bottom of the frame, you ain't gonna rip anything off the bike.
Right.
So I like it. That way when I'm driving my normal way, it won't hurt anything.
Yeah.
Alright, that towel is dirty. That is a dirty rag. Okay, now I can get rid of that. It's clean. Put that right there for now. Interruption begins. You're gonna have to wait. Message must not have been important. Okay, now when you pick up a bike by this method, you don't want to crush the wires. So, see how I'm underneath the wires?
Yep.
Or above the wires? Now it's going to pull on the seat a little bit in front, but should be all right there. And they're really important. Right there. Okay, here we go.
Wow. That easy, huh?
Oops.
There you go. Yeah. You had to make a spot for it.